everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix account not in this store. You are trying to download a new iPhone app but something is not working. You will receive a pop-up that says account not in this store and you are not sure why. In this video I'll explain why this pop-up is appearing on your iPhone and show you how to fix the problem for good. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is change the App Store country or region. If you are traveling abroad, changing the App Store country should fix the problem. Open the App Store and then tap on your account icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Sign into your Apple ID if prompted, then tap country or region. Then tap on change country or region. From here select your current location and you are done. And the next step is sign out of your App Store account. Signing out of and back into your App Store can fix a potential issue with your account. Open settings and then tap on your account name at the top of the screen. Next, tap on media and purchases. Next, tap on sign out and then wait a few seconds and then log back into your Apple Store account and see if the problem has resolved and you are done. And the next step is turn off content and privacy restrictions. Screen time and restrictions are great for parental controls. They can really restrict the ways you use your iPhones. If set up incorrectly, it's possible your iPhone says account not in this store because of an accidentally activated settings in the screen time. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on screen time. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Turn off the switch next to content and privacy restrictions. Then go back to the App Store to see if the problem has been resolved. If your iPhone still says account not in this store, move on to the next steps. And the next step is contact Apple Store. If none of these steps fix the problem, there may be an issue with your account that only an Apple employee can resolve. Check out Apple's website to get help online, over the phone or through mail. If you plan on heading into your local Apple Store, schedule an appointment first and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone says account not in this store. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.